We've got mail! In a recent video, you guys saw me install a set of headlights into the 2-valve. But the reason I kind of skipped over exactly how I installed them is because I like the headlights so much that I actually went ahead and emailed D&M Motoring and told them I liked the product and I wanted to do like an official review of the headlights. So they went ahead and sent me out a set, and now I'm going to be installing them onto the Terminator. So without further ado, let's dig in. Ooh. Ooh. Very, very nice already. Again, I did just install a set of these onto the 2-valve, so I already knew the build quality and the packing was very nice, but so nice. As you can see, the wiring is right there for them. Now remember, when pulling your factory headlights, you always want to make sure not to scratch your bumper. My bumper is pretty ate up, so I'm not like being too careful, but just something to watch out for. So one of the ways you can wire in these headlights, and the way that we're going to be doing it today, is by tapping it into the corner light here. So that way when you pull the headlight knob once or twice for the headlights on, but like once you pull on the running lights, then the DRL part will come on and you'll have your fancy light. I am going to go ahead and locate which one of these wires is the running light. Got my helper John here. He's going to go pull on the first one for me, and they're going to find out which one is which. And as you guys can see, the middle one, give the 12 volts. Turn the running lights off. Can't lose them. All right, go ahead and turn on the left blinker. Are the hazards on? Put the hazards on. All right. You guys see what the hazards on? It's like it's going ramping up and down, ramping up and down. So that means that this left one over here is the blinker. This middle one is the running light, and this right one over here is the ground. So we are going to be using these two right wires, the middle one and the ground, for our DRL. So let's pull back this loom. I'm going to go ahead and come off of these, put a little connection there, and then go straight to the headlight. All right, so we got John here.
What's up?
He is doing surgery to some of these extra fog light bulbs we had around. We tested the light with the wiring that I did. This little harness here, this little wire taps. Got this harness, and then I wired that into the headlight. Looks good, but then I was thinking, I was like, you know, like these Terminators with the running lights on, they have the fog lights. I almost want the running lights to not have the side markers on. I know some people will probably be like, that's whatever, that's cringe, whatever. But so basically, I didn't want the side markers on with the running lights. So John was like, hey, I got you. So he pulled out his surplus of bulbs, and we're modifying a pair basically to not have running lights.
All right, so if you guys want to do this, you can look at the wires on the filaments as they track down towards the bottom of the light. I've already modified this light to take out the center filament, which is the running light. The top filament is the blinker. The fat one, the fat or small one, is the running light. Top one is the blinker. So we've just done basically this. We've identified that this pin right here is the running light pin, and we're just going to cut it right out of here, like so, and make sure that this isn't sticking down so it doesn't contact anything else when you plug it back in. And there you go.
Take this and we plop it in there. Be very gentle. You come over here, and we're just going to test this real quick. And if I put the hazards on, it should blink. Okay, it's blinking. But if I turn on the running lights, and you'll notice, as you can see, the fog lights come on, you hear the thing dinging. Is there any running light?
There's no running light.
And the side marker is not on. And again, people are going to call me cringe for that, but I like the look of the DRLs and the fog lights without those amber. And I know, I forget the name of the company or the brand, but there's a brand out there that makes the side markers, like white LEDs, and then yellow for blinkers, and then, you know, a different color for running lights. And I do want to get those eventually, but for right now, this is kind of the look I was going for, and I just want to get this project done. Freaking love these headlights, dude. They look so freaking sweet. Tell me I'm wrong. I'll wait.